Hey guys, Jeff here with another Dustless Answers video. Today we've been getting actually a lot of questions in the last couple of weeks about the difference in filtration between the D1619 and the D1606. Both HEPA vacuums, but what's the difference? What's the difference in the filtration and the differences in the vacuum? So we're going to explain those today on our Dustless Answers video. So the major difference between the two vacuums, the D1619, it has two-stage filtration, 2 layers of filtration. The D1606 has 3 layers of filtration, and I'll show you the differences between the two of them. So you take the lid off, and inside the barrel, you have the Wonder Bag, of course. That is the first layer of filtration. So inside the D1606, we'll take that lid off. You also have the Wonder Bag. So that is your first layer of filtration. Inside the barrel, you have the Wonder Bag. We do have those in standard and in a HEPA version. So you can check those out on our website. But that is the first layer of filtration in the vacuum. Okay, so the next difference in them, from the Wonder Bag in the barrel on the D1619, you go straight to the HEPA filter. This HEPA filter right here is batch tested, which means we bring in a batch of 100 filters, and they choose 10 of them to check, make sure that they pass HEPA levels, and they're batch tested. This vacuum here, the major difference is right here. This is a pre-filter before it gets into the HEPA filter. This pre-filter you can actually take off, you can hand wash it, you can let it dry, and you can put it back on. It is hand washable, cleanable. You can clean it as many times as you need to keep that filter clean and usable. Inside of the pre-filter is the HEPA filter, and I'll show you that right now. So all you need to do to get to the HEPA filter in the D1606 is you get a screwdriver, flat nose screwdriver or a 1/4-inch drive, and you just loosen that band clamp. You can loosen it up, you can take off the pre-filter and get right to the HEPA filter. This HEPA filter, every one of these HEPA filters on the D1606 is independently tested, serialized, and it's done by a third party. These are not done by us. So they have a serial number, they're independently tested, and so they are a really, really good HEPA filter. So the filtration in this HEPA filter compared to this HEPA filter, they both meet HEPA levels, but this just has a little bit more material to collect the fine dust. So a little bit better HEPA filtration. So that is the two differences in the filtration systems of the D1606 and the D1619. Okay, so that is the difference in the filtration systems. Again, 1606 is 3 layers of filtration with the independently tested serialized HEPA filter, and the D1619 is 2 layers of filtration with the batch tested HEPA filter. The HEPA filter for the replacement HEPA filters for the D1619, they were about $28 for the HEPA filter. The replacement filter for the 1606, because it is independently tested, serialized, they run about $170. Like again, I said, much better filtration on this HEPA filter, and the reason for the cost difference in the HEPA filters. Again, guys, if you have any questions about any of our products, or you want to know specifics about how something works or an application, put it in the comments below. We're happy to answer those. We love making videos for you guys so that you can see what we're talking about. If you are not subscribed to our channel, click that subscribe button and hit the little notification bell so that you get notifications when new videos come up. Again, guys, the filtration system of the D1619 versus the filtration system in the D1606. And if you can't do anything else, make it dustless.